Yeah, yeah.
I ain't trying to go to work today.
Yeah.
I don't wanna go to work. I don't wanna do a thing. So sick of the same routine. All I wanna do is sit here on my couch and just daydream. I don't wanna go to work. I don't wanna go to work. I don't wanna go to work. Go to work today. So tired, so sick of the same thing. It's over, don't care if I get fired. I just need to chill and pop a cold one. Pour out a little bit for my folks punched in. I promise that we'll meet again when your shift ends. Till then, I'll be sitting on this futon, playing Black Ops against some kid that lives in Tucson. I might go outside just to walk the dog, but then I'm going right back to where I left off. I got my feet up, some pizza in the oven, ignoring phone calls in case my boss is buzzing. I just wasn't in the mood today, and when I woke up, this is all I could say. I don't wanna go to work. I don't wanna do a thing. So sick of the same routine. All I wanna do is sit here on my couch and just daydream. I don't wanna go to work. I don't wanna go to work. I don't wanna go to work. Go to work today.
Nah, I don't wanna do anything. I don't wanna be productive. I just wanna sleep, and this job is trying to be obstructive, getting in my way, man, it's fucking up my day. I don't wanna get up, nah, I just wanna stay in my bed with my head on my pillow. I'm for real though. Get up when I want, eat a hot pocket and chill though. I wish I had a meal though. That reminds me, check the Powerball. Still ain't won, well damn, I guess I'll take a shower now. It's been about an hour now, it still ain't 8. My boss is leaving voicemails, I'm 2 hours late. I think I'll masturbate, watch some porn, bust a nut. Now I'm falling back to sleep. I'll feel better when I get up.
I don't wanna go to work.
I don't wanna go to work.
I don't wanna do
anything today,
a
man.
thing.
You know, I just
So
wanna
sick
daze.
of the same
wanna sit around,
routine.
man.
All I
I do
wanna do
shit,
is
bro.
sit here on my couch and just daydream. I don't wanna go to work. 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 Go to work today.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
You have one new voice message. To play your messages, press 1.
Hey, it's Nick from the factory. Where you at, buddy? That's 11 called no shows now. Call me back. We need to talk.
Hi.